Hi students, today we are welcome to VIJETHA Institute. Today we are going to discuss the topic coding and decoding. So in coding and decoding there are three types. First one is letter coding and second one is number coding. Third one is substitution. First we will discuss the type 1, that is letter coding. Later on we will discuss the number coding. After that we will discuss the substitution. Now, before going to letter coding, number coding, substitution, first we need to learn the positions of letters. Now here already it has been written from A to Z. From A to M, it is first half of the alphabets, that is 1 to 13. Next N we are starting from here. So it is in this pattern A, B, C, so on, X, Y, Z. This is the first letter from left hand side and this is the first letter from the right hand side. So A opposite letter is Z. That only we have written here. A opposite letter Z. Next from left second alphabet is B. From right second alphabet is Y. So B opposite is Y. B opposite is Y. So first we need to learn these positions. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, like that up to M we have written. After that we are writing N from here. N to Z up to here we have written. We need to learn these positions, that is A is 1, B is 2, like that. Now here already I have written here A equal to 1, B equal to 2, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, Y equal to 25, Z equal to 26. Everyone knows this because A is the first letter, B is the second letter, Y is the last second letter, Z is the last letter. Now these four letters positions we can easily remember. Next F. F for fix. I am writing F as fix. Fix 6 rhyming words. G, we can write G like this. I am writing G in this format. G. It looks like 7. G for 7. This is H. H. This is H. H we can convert into digital letter like this. H resembles the number 8. H for 8. I is 9. I we will write like this. That is 9. If we write like this, it will become 9. I is for 9. Next K. K for Kings 11 Punjab. This is the previous IPL team. Kings 11 Punjab. That is K for 11. Kings 11 Punjab. K for 11. Next L. How we will pronounce L? We will pronounce L as EL. L 11. Rhyming word. L 11. Actually L is here 12. L 12. Rhyming word it is. L 12. M for 13. M W. If you see M and W, if you look at M and W, they resembles the number 3. If you rotate them, it will resembles the number 3. So M comes first, that is 13. W comes afterwards, that is 23. Next N 14, November 14, that is Children's Day. N for 14, that is N, November. N 14. Next O for 15, that is October 15th. October 15th is Abdul Kalam's birthday. After O, next look at P. We will write P like this. It looks like 6. If we reverse it, it looks like 6. P for 16. Next Q I will write like this. Q I am writing like this. It resembling 7. That is Q for 17. R we will write like this. R I am writing like this. It is resembling the number 8. R for 18. S we will write like this. If I convert like this, it looks like 9. S for 19. Next T easily we can remember. T for 20. T20 matches. T20 match. T for 20. T20 match. Next U, wantedly I am writing U like this. It looks like 21. 21. U I am writing like this. It looks like 21. The remaining letters you can remember according to the initials of your letters or first letter of your name like this. Next we can remember this name also. E J O T Y. E Jyoti. E Jyoti means multiples of 5. 5. J for 10. O for 15. T for 20. Y for 25. That is multiples of 5. 5 table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. E Jyoti. So this is the positions of letters. We need to remember these positions. Don't think that as soon as you go to exam, you will write in the rough paper this all. It won't work for you. You need to remember this. These positions should be in your mind. Next, we also need to remember the opposite pairs also. A opposite pair is Z. That is all zebra. All zebra. AZ. All zebra. B for boy. BY. Boy. C for constable exam. CX. Constable exam. D for due. E for every. EV. Every. F for you. Mostly we will text this for you. GT is for Greater Telangana. Greater Telangana. HS for Hyderabad, Secunderabad. HS for Hyderabad and Secunderabad. IR for Inspector. Inspector. JQ for Jack, Queen. KP for Kings 11, Punjab. Already we have studied this King 11, Punjab. K for 11. The same we are using. Kings 11, Punjab. L for Law and Order. MN, men. Opposite pairs. You need to remember these opposite pairs also. AZ for algebra, BY for boy, CX for crux or constable exam, D for due, EV for every, for you, GT for Greater Telangana or great, like this. HS for, we have remembered here Hyderabad, Secunderabad. Some students will remember like this as high school also. High school. HS for high school. Next IR, Indian Railways. Like that also you can remember. But however, you need to remember these opposite pairs. Now related to these opposite pairs, we have written one statement here. That is every. EV, every, one opposite pair. Every boy, this is also opposite pair. Every boy and men, this is also opposite pair. Living in Hyderabad, Secunderabad, this is also opposite pair. Studying for inspector examination, IR, inspector examination, and constable examination, inspector and constable exam should pay due, DW, opposite pair, and follow law and order, LO, law and order for your safety, for your safety. So some of the opposite pairs are interpreted here. So if you can remember this statement also, you can remember the opposite pairs. Apart from this, you can also see that sum of opposite pairs, sum of opposite pairs equal to 27. Sum of opposite pairs equal to 27. If you look at here, A is 1, Z is 26. If you add these two, you will get it as 27. 1 plus 6 equal to 27. Here also H is 8, S is 19. 19 plus 8, 19 plus 8, it is equal to 27. Means sum of opposite pairs equal to 27. You can remember that also. Now going to the topic. This is letter coding. Type 1, letter coding. In a certain code, teacher is written as VGCEJGT. How is children written in that code? Now whatever it is given here, right here like this, teacher is written as VGCEGT. Children is, how is children written in that language? Now first I am writing the positions here. T for 20, E for 5, A for 1, C is 3, H for 8, E for 5, R for 18. Here also I am writing positions. V for 22, next G for 7, 3, E for 5, J for 10, G for 7, T for 20. This we have written here. Now see here, compare the first letter here and first letter here. 20, 22 means how much it is increasing? 20 plus 2 it is increasing. Next second letter, 5 is here, 7 is here. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next 1, here C is there, 3. That is 1 plus 2, that is 3. 1 plus 2, that is 3. Means here, from here onwards, from left to right, it is plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 we are going. Here also children is there. The word children is there. That is CHILDREN. The word children is there. Write down the positions here. C is 3, 8, I is 9, L is 12, T is 4, R is 18, E is 5, N is 14. Now here from left to right plus 2. From here onwards it is left to right, it is plus 2. It is plus 2 every time. For every letter it is plus 2. For every letter it is plus 2 from left to right. Now 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 means which letter? That is E. Next 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 means which letter? That is J. 9 plus 2, that is 11. 11 means K. Next 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 means N. Next 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 means F. Next 18 plus 2, 20. 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 means T. 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 means G. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 means P. 14 plus 2, that is 16. That is P. Means from here it is coming. From left to right the code is coming. Next, going for the second question. In a certain code language, rusticate is written as QTTUIDBSD. How would statistic be written in that code? Now write in this format. Rusticate is written as Q2UBSD. Statistics. How is statistic written in that language? Now again write the positions. Rusticate means R means 18, U means 21, S means 19, T is 20, I is 9, C is 3, A is 1, T is 20, E is 5. Here also I am writing the positions. 17, T is 20, again T is 20, U is 21, I is 9, 4, B is 2, S is 19, D is 4. I have written the positions here. Now compare the positions. 18 is here, here 17. So how much it is decreasing? 18, 17 means 18 minus 1 is 17. 18 minus 1 is 17. Next U, 21, second letter. Here second letter is 20. 21, 20. How much it is decreasing? Minus 1. 21 minus 1 is 20. Next S, 19. Here 20 is there. Means it is increasing. How much? 19 plus 1 is 20. Next T is there. 20. Here U, 21 is there. Fourth letter. Now again plus is there. Next I, same letter, no change. Next C, D is there. Again it is plus. C is 3, D is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Here A, 1 is there, B is 2. Again it is plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 20, 19, minus 1. 5, 4, minus 1. So from left to right, it is minus 1, plus, plus. Next no change. Next plus, plus, minus, minus. Here also it is minus, minus, plus, plus, no change. Next plus, plus, minus, minus. From left to right. S is 19. 19 minus 1, 18. 18 means R. Next 20. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 means S. Next 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 means B. Next 20. T is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. That is U. Next I. I means no change. Middle letter no change. I same as it is I. Next S. S means it is 19. 19 plus 1, 20. That is T. Next 9 I. Next T is there. That is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. That is U. Next 9 is there. 9 minus 1. That is 8. 8 means H. Next C. That is 3. 3 minus 1. That is 2. 2 means B. The answer is R S B U I T U H P. The option is second option. Option is second option. Next, going for the third question. Rose is coded as PMQC. Then how is Lily coded as? Rose means here 18. I am writing positions here 18, 15, 19, 5. Here it is P is 16, 13, 17, 3. 18 first letter. Compare the first letter. 18 here 16 means it is 18, 16 means plus 2. Next 15, 13. That is minus 2. 19, 17. That is again 18 or 16. It is also minus 2. It is also minus 2 first letter. 15 minus 2 is 13. 19 minus 2 is 17. 5 minus 2 is 3. From left to right, it is every time minus 2. Means from left to right, it is minus 2 here every time. 12. L is 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 means J. 9. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 means 7. 7 means G. Next 12 minus 2, 10. That is J. Again 12 is there. 12 minus 2, 10. That is J. Y. Y means 25. 25 minus 2, 23. That is W. Answer is J, G, J, J, W.